everyone, welcome to Foresights TV with me Anjali. The highly anticipated ODI World Cup 2023 is just around the corner and cricket enthusiasts worldwide are buzzing with excitement. As teams gear up for this prestigious tournament, their focus extends beyond just entertaining fans with their impressive batting skills. Top batsmen from various nations are diligently preparing to not only showcase their prowess but also lead their teams to victory. The cricket community eagerly awaits to witness who will emerge as the world's best batsman and make a significant contribution to their team's pursuit for the coveted title. Get ready for a thrilling showdown. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Virat Kohli, Steve Smith, Kane Williamson and Joe Root are renowned as the Fab Four by cricket fans. After a few years of their dominance, Babar Azam emerged into the limelight. These star batsmen are currently captivating the attention of fans in the World Cup. Undoubtedly, their performance in the tournament will heavily influence the progress of their respective teams. Virat Kohli, recognized as one of the greatest batsmen in cricket history, has consistently impressed over the past decade. However, he experienced a significant loss of form less than 3 years ago, which affected him mentally due to the burden of captaincy and the impact of the pandemic. Prior to this slump, he had been scoring centuries with remarkable ease. It is understandable that he faced difficulties when he failed to score a century in any format for 2.5 years. Nevertheless, this performance has been steadily improving since then. In 2023 alone, he scored 5 centuries and is currently in excellent form leading up to the World Cup. Despite being a part of the victorious 2011 team, his role was limited. This time, his batting prowess will be of utmost importance. It remains uncertain whether Virat will participate in another World Cup and whether he will conclude his ODI career with another victory on home soil. Similarly, Steve Smith, like Kohli, has already tasted World Cup success as a member of the 2015 winning team. However, his career hit a roadblock when he was embroiled in the ball tampering scandal, causing damage to his reputation. After serving a 1-year ban, he made a remarkable comeback, earning back the respect he had lost through consistent performances. He also played a pivotal role in securing victory in the Ashes. Although he is renowned for his Test cricket abilities, his performance in ODIs has not met expectations. If his team triumphs in the World Cup with exceptional performances, Smith will undoubtedly be recognized as a great player in this format as well. Kane Williamson, known for his gentlemanly conduct on and off the field, he is beloved cricketer across nations. He possesses a significant fan base worldwide due to his exemplary skills and character. Not only has he showcased his batting prowess in tests, but he has also established himself as a formidable player in ODIs. As a captain, he has led the New Zealand team to great heights, narrowing missing out on World Cup glory in the past 2 tournaments as the runner-up. This World Cup marks Kane's final opportunity to claim the coveted trophy. He and his teammates are determined to secure victory at any cost. Kane's swift recovery from an injury sustained during the IPL has elevated concerns for fans, and they eagerly anticipate his performance in the tournament. Completing the Jab 4 is Joe Root, who has faced criticism in the past for his sustainability in ODIs despite his remarkable achievements in Test cricket. Criticized for his slower pace, Root adjusted his playing style to align with England's evolving team dynamics, adopting a more aggressive approach. He now supports his fellow batsmen by playing with increased intensity, incorporating reverse sweeps and scoops akin to T20 specialists. Root's ability to adapt and maintain the required speed and consistency has transformed him into a key player in the ODI format. As the defending champions, Roots aim to leave a lasting impact in the World Cup, and fans eagerly await whether he can lead his team to another victory. Babar Azam's rise to becoming the #1 batsman in ODIs has been nothing short of remarkable. His consistent performance and ability to score runs have propelled him to the top of the ICC rankings, surpassing even the legendary Virat Kohli. However, there are concerns that his success may be limited to his home soil and the UAE, where he has achieved high averages. As we look forward to the upcoming World Cup, it will be intriguing to see how Babar performs in unfamiliar territory, particularly in India. With limited experience playing in the country, this will be an excellent opportunity for him to showcase his skills on a global stage. Will he seize his chance to prove his mettle to the world? Only time will tell how Babar Azam will fare in the World Cup and whether he can dispel the criticism surrounding his performance outside his comfort zone. Nevertheless, his talent and determination make it clear that he has the potential to excel regardless of the location. Cricket enthusiasts worldwide eagerly await his performance in the upcoming tournament, eagerly anticipating whether he can retain his status as the world's premier batsman. In conclusion, Babar Azam's journey continues and the World Cup will be a significant test for him. Let us witness his growth as he embraces his opportunity to demonstrate his skills to the global cricketing community. Thank you for watching Foresights TV with me, Anjali.